going to explain you regarding the runtime interest calculation. So I'm going to search a customer by file number and I click load. I have already created product scheme. I select this product scheme. I can check a configuration, that is 1 lakh amount, 14% yearly, and I selected runtime interest with monthly accrual and for 12-month tenor. So tenor is set just to get a report for that specific end date. And let's say I have created this loan in July. For backdated, just to explain you how calculation works, I click save. Loan number 160 is created. I search loan 160 and here you can see this hyperlink where it will tell you how the interest is calculated. So on 1 lakh balance from 16 till 31st for 16 days, including the disbursement date, interest is calculated, and henceforth the interest is calculated for every month and then till date. If you see the installment tracker, it will be reflected here and also reflected in the transaction. You can check party ledger to understand the debit and credit along with the balance. Now, same information you can check in borrower login. So borrower will see this view. Borrower will get this amount and make a payment via cash free or Paytm. Borrower can also check the installment tracker and understand how the interest is distributed. Now let's try to receive some amount. Borrower, so 6075 is the interest accrued till date and received this much interest. If I see the installment tracker, all this interest received, pardon me, and now let's say borrower is going to pay principal component 10,000 paid. I just click receive. System will decide where to adjust, whether it will be adjusted in principal or interest part. To understand in detail, we can check party ledger. Here you can see this is the principal and then interest started accruing on monthly basis. Then this much interest received and then principal received. So system is deciding automatically whenever amount is received whether to adjust against principal or interest. Now balance is 90,000, which is principal part. If I search this again, so interest is already calculated, so no interest calculated for today. But if I start increasing this date, so automatically system will calculate the interest and based on a balance available. Okay. This interest, because this is the future date, it will not be added to installment tracker, but it will get updated on a monthly accrual basis. That's why the name of it is calculating runtime interest on daily basis as well as accruing the interest on monthly basis. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video and liked the concept. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel to get more and more features. Thank you so much. Have a great day.